Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a draft on Tumblr, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this pencil button down below and then start creating your post that you want to save as a draft later on. You can attach GIFs to it, photos, audios, and so on. After finishing this process, tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on this Save as Draft button, which is the fourth option. Tap on Done, and then click on Save Draft, which is this blue button at the top of the screen. As you can see, it has been saved as a draft to your blog. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.